Primidan TV, your choice for entertainment and more. Hi guys, welcome back to Primidan channel. Today we're gonna do a review on Kranium. He's a Jamaican artist, and he sort of reminds me of Jah Cure, kind of like a modern day Jah Cure. So he has this new song out called Gal Policy, and I love it. So we're gonna do a review. Here we go.
Yeah, but what is this? Are you serious right now? Put you guys in check now. I can't believe this shit, boy. Are you serious right now? Don't violate me. Seriously.
Tomorrow life, boy, have some girl when I start for your wife for your yard. Them think they mean a life, lucky she not stab me with a knife. And some boy, I fuck some ways, can I road. Half them a chase her around.
All right, I had to cut this part because I love this part. Now he's talking about some boys, some men don't have no lives. They don't have no life. They just chase around skirts. I call them skirts. I call them skirts. Women around. They don't have no life.
One fuck you, I fuck some too. Then I walk up with it in a crowd. Hey, no girl me fuck, yes, I'm a jama. Me make me girl be that banana.
All right, that part now. He says, no gal he fucks can't start drama because he make them, like he fuck them, you know, in the corner or like in the bush or and stuff like that. So they can't start no drama. They can't, that means they can't come and run up on his main chick or his wife. Some niggas don't know that.
She's know them policy. After 9 o'clock she can't call me. After me no eat that, yeah. After me no eat that, yeah. She better know say after certain time don't contact me, yeah. We don't know what them a think. Cheat your girl but she a go cheat as a blink.
That part too, that's my favorite. Now, you know some men like to have their main girls and then have something on the side and treating the main girl like she's piece of shit and thinking that she's not gonna find out that he's cheating. Yeah, she's gonna cheat. And he said she I gonna cheat as a blink. I'm not Jamaican, right? But my cameraman is Jamaican, and he said that cheat instantly. Instantly, she could just do it like that. I don't think women are smart.
Make a prick, get the link. Fuck your girl in the kitchen, watch me dick in the sink. Let that sink in. You can't violate, man, a banking game, baby. So when you feel the pain, don't treat all of the girl the same. Tomorrow life, boy, have some girl start for your wife for your dad. Them think they mean a life, lucky she not stab me with a knife. And some boy, I fuck some ways, can I road. Half them a chase her around. One fuck you, I fuck some too. Then I walk up with it in a crowd. Hey, no girl me fuck, yes, I'm a jama. Me make me girl be that banana. Baby miss.
Anyways, you hear the song. He's talking, I think my whole concept of this song, I mean, I love all Kranium songs. There's not one song that I don't like about Kranium. His voice, everything. This song, it just, I don't know, it's just that good. It's short, but it's that good. And the way he's, you know, he has his main chick and he's telling the whole world or his boys or his side piece that, you know, they can't run up on his main chick. Whatever they do it in the corner and that's it. They can't call him certain hours. That's it. After 9 o'clock, he's with his woman. He's home. He's with his family. You can't call him. I think I love that. But the thing is, don't think that your main chick is not gonna find out that you're cheating or you're doing certain things and have to just sit there and take it because she's gonna cheat as a blink. Instantly she could run out and do her shit in whatever. And he's, you know, I think he's saying like somebody like him, if you treat your girl bad, somebody like him could, you know, go and F your girl and wash his D in the sink, and you end up using the same dishes, the same spoons, same cups. I love you, Kranium.
After 9 o'clock, she can't call me. After me no eat that, yeah. After me no eat that, yeah. She better know say, after certain time don't contact me, yeah. No girl me fuck can't stand no drama. Me make me girl be that for the corner. Baby mistress know them policy. After 9 o'clock, she can't call me. After me no eat that, yeah. After me no eat that, yeah. She better know say, after certain time don't contact me, yeah.
Overall, I am in love with this song. I played 20 times in the car. 20 times. And somebody gets tired of it, especially when he said, girl cheat as a blinking, wash his dick in the sink, and Monabone, Kingpin, and all of that mess. And I just love Kranium. Every little song, every song, just like I love Jackie, or I have this love for Kranium. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you like everything, and I hope you download the song. It's a very good song. The bass, everything is good about it. The words, everything. You know, Kranium. I'm a Kranium fan. So, see you next time. Bye.